Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video, we are going to see how the loan approval process will work in Jainam Software. So just have a look. From the master setup, go to setting and from the here general, select loan creation to follow-up process for approval process. So the setting value, just write down yes and add. So we have saved this successfully. Now from the search bar, search one customer and now you can see here one customer is I have created. So from the loan option, just create one loan against the customer. So for example, for 1000, the rate of interest 2% and for 20 week. So just calculate and now save this loan. So you can see here the loan is created for approval process. So what we can do, go to the customer and loan approval, and here you can see the new request come up, that new loan, that one is Akshay and one is now Lara. So we have just created this loan, the Lara customer. So from here what we can do, the status in process, just we approved this and change this status to the approved. So we have approved this status and now go to the approved list, just click on this and now you can see here the customer, this Lara, and just click on disburse manually. So you can see the loan number 59 is saved successfully. So we have created this loan number 59. So from the search bar, search the loan number 59 and you can see the customer Lara, we have created loan number 59, that is the principal amount 20,000, interest is 1,867 and total amount is 21,867. So from the installment tracker, you can see the all details of the customer, the principal, interest and the installment date, everything here. So you can receive one amount, for example one EMI, and now just refresh this installment tracker. Here you can see the green color that indicates the one installment has been received successfully. So this type the loan approval process will work in Jainam Software. So thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube and subscribe our channel from YouTube, and have a nice day.